Alright, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick auto park video for you using the automatic parallel park. I'm going to try this here in nighttime and see if it can handle it. And very easily it did a quick swipe. Now it looks like it's getting pretty close to the car behind me, but did a nice job about centering itself and actually did a fantastic job about getting in position and perfectly parking me in between these two cars. Wow, if you have trouble doing parallel parking, I mean, phenomenal. Like, I cannot wait for that to be available for everyone. I'm not sure why right now it only comes with cars with ultrasonic sensors, but it works really great. And I do it on the spot here a lot, and it works phenomenally. And yeah, if you think you would use Tesla's auto park feature, hit that like button. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more auto park videos and content alike. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.